The purpose of this video is to illustrate how to populate a completion report for ISRM 1010 for 2016. The first step will be click on Administration, click on Reports Console. At this point, type in Progress in the search text and click Search. At this point, you want to pick the Organization Report Training Progress. And of course, during this video, there'll be a little bit of dead time while the system transitions. I have not forgot about you. And hey, Allie, by the way. At this point, you'll hit Select. Okay, for time's sake, pulling this report this time, I'm only going to pull the state side. But if you were going to do both, of course, you'd put a check in externals also. But now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put a check and include sub-organizations. Always remember to do this because it won't pull the entire group if you don't. At this point, we were pulling a completion report, so I'm going to want the completed status, and it is an online course. I'm going to the start date, 6/1/2016 to today, 7/27/2016, and then I'm going to click Run Report. Remember this drop down right here where it says default? When we get over here where the data populates, we're going to name this something, so the next time you come here, you're going to pick something from that layout drop down. Okay, from this point the data is populated. You would need to go to layout, and this is the normal layout I use. Of course, now if you want to differ, you can and choose whatever you want to, but I usually take out the number. I use last name, first name, content, title. I don't care about enroll date. I don't care about start date. I do care about complete date. I do care about progress status. I care about score, and I want job title, manager, email address, organization, and then I'll take the check out of report. Then I'll hit OK. Now remember what I said, once this data comes out and we filter it for ISRM1010, we're going to save that format, so the next time you won't have to go through this particular step because the format will be saved. Alrighty, now we're going to filter this to make sure it's only picking up ISRM 1010 2016. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going up to filter. I'm going to filter column. That will be the content title. It's going to equal, and we're going to add what we copied, and then we're going to click add. Then it's going to sort that and only provide us with that data, that the content title that contains that course. So everything else will be gone. Okay, now we're going down here and look at our data. And all you see is ISRM 1010 2016. So at this point, this is what I was talking about, where you could save your format. So let's do that. So we're going to save new, and you could call this Ali Shumate's report. You can call it anything you want to. Now be advised, just because I'm saving this format does not mean that that format will be available to you. You will have to make your own because mine are not shared with you. So let's hit go and I'll illustrate what I'm talking about. And now remember, where I was showing you the drop down menu on the front page, the next time I would go in here, there's going to be a report in there called Ali Shumate's report. And I won't have to do any of these steps, any of the filtering or any of that. Because this process right now, we're at 8 minutes and 49 seconds right now, so I'd speculate, we'd be at this point at 5 minutes after you do it the first time. Also remember that these reports can be scheduled at night. So now the report's populated. You see the report layout is called Ali Shumate's report. Okay, so now what we want to do, you want to be able to work with this data, so you're just going to go up here and click on Export to Excel. Open it. Allow. Then you're going to go to Excel, go over to pull that over, and there's your data. If you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to ask, and have a great day.